So this is what you're going to be working on with me. We're going to go over the one you did yesterday. If you didn't finish, that's okay. You're going to have some time to finish it today. And then if you have some extra time, I'm going to let you do another one with somebody else, with a different partner. Okay? Second center. Second center, seat work. We learned about the earth and the sun. We also talked about the moon yesterday. Today, you're going to learn about the stars. The third center is Haley's center. Haley's my assistant today. Haley is going to run the smart board. You are going to do your spelling words on the whiteboard, the interactive whiteboard today, up here. So, for example, we're going to get a clean sheet. Haley will have 3 people up at this, 2 or 3 people here. You're going to do the disappearing pen today.
Oh, yeah.
So you're really going to have to think fast. This is my disappearing pen. Watch what happens when I write with my disappearing pen. Let's say my word is middle.
Ah, sweet. Oh.
So today you're writing with the disappearing pen. All right? Okay, so Haley's going to run it here. Some of you are going to be with Haley. Some of you are going to be over on my whiteboard with a marker. And then I'll let you know so that everybody gets a turn. Look at me, Taylor. So then we'll switch. Because there's 6 of you and some of us, in a few of the centers, there's 6 of you. And that's too many to have waiting. So 3 of you will start over there. 3 of you will start over here with Haley. And then halfway through, I'll tell you to switch so that, and Haley, you'll just stay here.
Okay.
And you'll just read the words and decide whose turn it is. And you'll have to check the words. Oh boy, I've used Centers for a long time. Basically, I use it as a tool to lower my class numbers to work with manageable groups. So Centers for me is a way to differentiate instruction, make it appropriate with a small group of kids to really hone in on exactly what concepts those students need at any particular time. I've probably used them in my classroom for 15 years or more. I need my group. Would you please get a pencil, and you're going to need to get a chair and join me at the tables over here. Seat work. Stand up. Oh, you'll have to go look at the board. See where you start, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Will you take those all back, Molly? Try to get whatever my class size is. I try to get groups down to at least 4. 3 is better. The lower the number, the better. But I try to divvy up my class into centers, into different activities, with me taking one group. Maybe a few of the groups would be independent, and I am fortunate I have a para that also would take a group, and then each center would have a different activity, and I would spend time with each group for about 10-15 minutes, and then we would rotate throughout so that each student would get to each activity, and each student would have some time with me to learn exactly those skills that are lacking. There are times when I let students run a center using an interactive whiteboard, which you will see today. Students will be practicing their spelling words using the interactive whiteboard. Oh, Haley.
Good job. I know.
What I love about the interactive whiteboard is not only can I have the students do something on there, but I think it's so easy to integrate then your standalone computers, because they've seen what you're doing on that interactive whiteboard. They can go right to their standalone computer and see that same game, that same activity, and have that independence to do it on their own as well. So I use both, and kids love to be on the computer, so it's been wonderful.